Okay, so she has live being really honest for my wife's birthday. It was yesterday, but we still celebrate. Got the hibachi going on, you know what I'm saying? He cooking some fried rice right now. I'm pretty sure that y'all can tell what that is. We got my brother, Eric Kane there. And Janae and her husband, Giovanni. Renee and Jay. I don't know our chef's name, but he doing the damn thing over there.
Say his name.
I can't see that from the tag, so I'm sorry. Hello. Aleo. That's his name, Aleo. But what Aleo is doing his damn thing with this hibachi right here.
Go ahead.
Hold on. Let me get Aleo over here doing his damn thing. I wish I had skills like that in the kitchen. My wife would always come down there when I cook. I do it in my drawers though. Can you say India's about to fuck some shit up when this food gets done?
What's that?
Ice cream.